Why don't we draw the pictures of some animals from the outline of our hands? Hi friends, welcome to a new video, and we start this video with a picture of a big elephant. So we have taken the outline of our hand and we have converted 4 of our fingers to the legs of the elephant and the other one the trunk of the elephant. The elephant is splashing out some water out of its trunk. We move to our second picture. We have taken the outline of our hand, then we are drawing some more features on the face of this reindeer. This animal is associated with Christmas. Do you like Christmas? Okay, very good. So we can draw some spots on its body, and coloring this makes a perfect reindeer. Now we draw the picture of a barking dog from the outline of our hand. This dog has got very sharp teeth, so those teeth are being drawn. Then we can draw the ears of this dog and color this. Have you seen a koala bear? Maybe on television or pictures. So we are now drawing the picture of a koala bear on a tree. This animal is a marsupial and is found in the continent of Australia. Now we are drawing the tree on which koala is sitting. We give colors to this and finalize it. We can move to the next picture. Here also we have taken the outline of our hand, and then we are making this the picture of a dinosaur. It has got some projections on its body. It has a long and big tail, and we can add some spots, some circular spots on its body. And green and red colors have been given, so this is a big beautiful dinosaur. Our next picture is our mouse. We have taken the outline of our hand, and then we are drawing the eyes as well as its face. It has got a long teeth, and then we are drawing its hands. It has 2 hands and they are held together, and we can draw the tail. It's a long tail and its stomach has been drawn, and we can give colors. Now we move to the final picture in this video. This is a unicorn. Have you ever seen a unicorn in your real life? Improbable thing. So we have taken the outline of our hand, which is held in a special shape similar to a triangle. Then we have drawn the eye, and we can color this